Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a 10-minute yoga practice to help us rise and prepare for the day. Wake up with the sun. You don't need anything fancy. If you have a yoga mat, go ahead and grab it. And I'm going to meet you back here and we'll go ahead and get started. So let's begin our practice today in a seated position on the ground. So this could be you seated cross-legged. You could also be seated on the knees, or maybe have a blanket or pillow to prop your hips up a little bit higher. And we're going to begin here to start to ground and center. So the hands can come to the laps, palms face up or down. Maybe soften the shoulders away from the ears. And start to close down the eyes for just a breath or two. Just watching here. Giving yourself permission to slow it down a little bit. If you're like me, you just got out of bed, so maybe a little bit tired still. So yoga is a wonderful way to start your day. If your eyes were closed, you can gently bat the eyelashes open. And let's begin the physical part of our practice. Drop the hands down by the sides. Let's take a big inhale, sweep the arms high into the sky. Exhale, drop hands down. 2 more times. Invite that extra movement in the shoulders. In breath, out breath, lower down. Last time we rise up, pull that energy all the way up to the sky. Exhale, drop hands to heart center, prayer position. Maybe set a little intention for your practice now. That could be just like one word that calls to you in this moment. My word is abundance today. You choose something that serves you now. Go ahead and shake out that mudra, let it go. We're going to rub the palms together. Really create some energy, some friction here with the hands. Nice. And then take a hand to the heart. Drop the other hand over top. Notice again, maybe the gentle beat of your own heart drum under the hands. Maybe the soft and subtle rise and fall of the chest on each in-breath and out-breath. Nicely done. Shake it out, let it go. Hands will come to the lap. We're going to take some Sufi grind. So I'd love for you to start to circle the heart around, kind of get deep here as you rock forward, and then come back. Making nice big or small circles, whatever serves you now. Just waking up the back body and really tuning into the architecture of your spine. Finding a beautiful wave here of energy from the base of the spine to the crown of the head. For 3, 2, and 1. Let's go ahead and reverse that nice juicy circles here. Just articulating through the back body. Maybe you close the eyes and just tap into this beautiful movement. You can trust yourself, trust your practice. Just know you made the right decision, clicking play, taking time for you as you prepare for your day. For 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Let's come to all fours. I'm going to meet you in tabletop position. So here we stack our bones, wrist under the shoulders and knees underneath the hips. Really claw through the fingertips. The toes can be tucked under or pressing down. Let's take a couple circles with the hips, kind of sinking the hips back, rolling around, maybe sinking towards child's pose, but not quite there. Let's sink and roll. See what feels okay now. And if you're taking the circles with me, in your own time, reverse. Kind of balance left and right sides of the body. Nice. And then come to stillness. Let's take cat-cow. So tuck the toes under. In breath, drop belly button down. Lift your heart, lift the gaze up. Exhale, curl tailbone, drop chin to chest. Arch your upper back body for your cat pose. Inhale, drop the belly, lift the gaze, tailbone rise. And exhale, fold into that cat pose. 2 more rounds. Inhale. And exhale. Nice job. Stay in a spot if it serves you best. In breath. If you want to follow with me, you use the breath. Exhale to fold. Cat pose. Nice. Beautiful arch in the back. Nice. Let's take the knees wide. Come back to tabletop position and then toes tucked down. Go ahead and start to sink the hips back for that child's pose. Claw through the fingertips. Maybe you reach the fingers forward for an extended child's pose. If it feels okay, maybe you work to drop the forehead to the earth. Melt the heart down. Just feel that opening in the back and the hips. Nice job. Make your way back into tabletop position. And we're going to bring the knees back under the hips. Maybe walk the hands forward just a little bit more. Tuck the toes under. Sink the hips back. Lift the hips high into the sky first. Downward facing dog. So hips are high. Go ahead and start to pedal out the feet if that feels good. You might bend the knees a little or a lot here. What I really want for you is to feel that extension, elongation through the arms and the spine, and the tailbone rises high to the sky. Nice. Everybody take a look forward. Nice, slow tiptoe to the top of the mat, walking towards your hands. Take the feet hips width apart and just melt the heart down again. Forward fold here. Shake the head yes and no. The knees are bent generously. Release through those hamstrings, backs of the legs. Especially if you just got out of bed, they can be very, very tight. Maybe invite a little bit of movement here, just rocking side to side. Little sway. And then tuck the chin in, knees are bent. Start to roll up one vertebrae at a time. Slow roll up. Last to come up will be the crown of your head. And meet me in mountain pose. Hands can face forward. You could also have the hands at heart center. Press evenly into the feet. Relax the shoulders. And soften where you can. Nice job. Take the feet nice and wide here for me. We're going to extend the arms out to T shape. And then from here, just find a little rotation through the spine. Just rotating here, side to side. Gentle. There is no rush at all. Maybe bring the breath. Long, slow inhales. Long, slow exhales. For 3. 2 and 1. Gently move back to center. Take some arm circles. Here we go. Big juicy circles here. Call them swimmer's arms. You can go forward or back. Nice. Let's do one more in this direction wherever you are. And then reverse in the opposite way. We love balance. It's really something I work on a lot with my students, is playing with balance. Not only within the body, right and left sides of the brain, but also the physical body. Here we go. Shake that out. Extend those arms one more time. See where it feels comfortable in the hips. So a wide stance or a shorter one. And then we're going to take a different kind of twist. So as you twist to this side, maybe drop the fingers towards the shin. And then the other arm is reaching in the air. And then come back to center position. And then take it to the other side. Nice. And then go at your pace. I'm going to take it nice and slow this morning. Just getting into those tight spaces and seeing what feels right now. Nice. You might even drop the fingers towards the toes if you need a deeper stretch. But as always, we don't force anything. We just meet ourselves where we are today. Love that. Self-acceptance. Let's do 2 more. There's 1 and 2. Come back through center. Shake out those wrists. Give the arms a little break. Keep the feet kind of wide. Maybe a little buoyancy, a little bounce in the knees. We're going to take knocking on heaven's door. Beautiful rotation here. So good for you. We're here for 5. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Come to center, back to stillness. Take the hands to heart center, prayer position, mountain pose. Be here for a couple mindful breaths. Maybe close down the eyes and just notice how you feel. Invitation to revisit that intention you set for your practice. And maybe carry that intention as you travel on throughout the rest of your day. From my heart to yours, I hope you have a wonderful day. It's always a pleasure and an honor to be your guide in this practice. And I hope you can join me again soon. It's so good. You might draw the thumbs up towards the third eye space between the eyebrows, the home of our intuition. May the long-time sun shine upon you. All love surround you, and the pure light within you guide your way on. Namaste. Namaste. So good. Thank you so much for being here. As always, it's a pleasure. If we've not met yet, by the way, my name is Emily. I'm a yoga instructor, a registered nurse, and a wellness professional. I have this YouTube channel to help connect other folks with their body, their minds, their spirits, and it's really growing, and it would help me so much if you did subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share with your friends. If you want to connect with me further online, please visit my website. It's emilydaugherty.com. Over there, you can grab your free beginner's handbook to yoga. It's an 11-page little workbook that I've created for you. There's all kinds of content in here that I love sharing with my students. So please check that out. And I hope you have a wonderful day. You did the right thing. You started the day off with yoga, and I will see you again soon. Thanks again. Bye.